everyone! Today I will be showing you how you can incorporate a weaving technique into your macrame projects. This weaving technique we will be learning today is called Rya Loops. This is actually a second way that you can tie these loops. If you want to find another method to this knot, check out my previous video. I will link it in the description below. Otherwise, to get started, I went ahead and attached 6 ropes to a dowel rod using a lark's head knot, and I tied 1 row of horizontal double half hitch knots so we have a nice little place for us to tie our Rya loops to. Now, let's get started. The first step I'm going to take to make this knot is I'm just going to take the end of a new rope and I'm just going to wrap it around the first rope here on the left just to kind of secure it and tuck it out of the way. And you want the end here to be long enough so that you can tuck it in behind your project at the end and hide that end. Now to form my first Rya loop, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this green rope and I'm going to send it right behind that first filler cord. And you'll notice that this forms a loop off to the side. Then all I'm going to do is I'm going to take the end here and send it through that loop and pull it through. And then all you do is you tighten this, so I like to pull on the top rope to tighten. And this is forming a loop. So if you need to adjust the loop side, you can pull this other string here, but the top one is what tightens it. And you just want to pull that nice and snug. And that is our first Rya loop. Let's do it again. So I'm going to take this rope, send it behind my next filler cord so that I have a loop here. Then I take the end and I just stick it through the loop, pull it through, and pull on the top string to tighten that. Just like that. And if you need to adjust the size of the loop, you can take the end here and just kind of pull it to adjust, and then go back and just tighten that as much as you would like. Just make sure it's secure. So again, I'm going to take my green working rope, I'm going to send it right behind my next filler cord, so I'm forming a loop. I send the end of that green rope through the loop, so I kind of have 2 loops here now, and I just pull on this top string to tighten that. And when I tighten too, I also like to kind of hold on to my filler cord up here. It just gives it a little structure as I tighten it. And as you can see, this loop's pretty big compared to the other one, so all I do to fix that is I pull that end back and it will shorten it. And I can tighten it again if I need to. And that is all there is to this fun looping method. Just like this. So what is great about this method compared to the last method I showed you is that each loop is getting tied around one individual filler cord, which means you're going to have a bigger density of loops down below, which if you do multiple rows, it will have a really fun and textured look. It's a great way to add that fun color, and again, you can adjust your loops to make them as small or as big as you would like. And at the end, after you've done multiple rows, all you do is flip your project around and you'll notice that there's these loops around your filler cords where you can tuck your ends into to hide them. I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.